The thin-set method follows the Tile Council of North America (TCNA) installation guide recommendations and is gaining in popularity because it eliminates a few installation steps as compared to the thick-set method. In many cases, the owner can gain a 15-year warranty from one of the proprietary mortar manufacturers. The thin-set system begins with a secure substrate followed by 2 layers of a weather-resistant barrier (WRB) material. Half-inch thick cement board is installed over the WRB to create a durable, continuous substrate to accept the thin brick. After the cement board is installed, self-adhering 6-inch wide mesh tape is applied to all cement board joints. The joints and screw locations should be filled with a polymer-modified thin-set mortar to seal all openings. The joint treatment will require 24 to 48 hours to cure, depending on environmental conditions. 2 coats of a liquid applied air and water barrier product should be applied over the cement board in all joints. Regardless of method, the material should be applied to a total thickness of 30 mils. An advantage to this system is that all joints and attachment penetrations are encapsulated by the air and water barrier. The air and water barrier requires a very short cure time. In most cases, the material cures in hours and is ready for thin brick installation the same day it is applied. Applying thin brick via the thin-set method is similar to installing tile to an interior wall. The thin brick is set into a full mortar bed, which is applied using a notch trowel. The thin-set material is a pre-mixed polymer-modified material. It requires very little water to mix, which increases the material's bonding capacity. The polymer modifier additives included in the product increases the mortar's bond strength, improves the mortar's flexural strength, and has a long bucket life, which reduces waste while increasing productivity. The thin brick can be placed directly to the thin-set material without back buttering, applying thin-set to the back of the brick. Shims and/or spacers can be used to assist in aligning the brick and ensuring that the thin brick does not sag while the thin-set is curing. Curing time for the thin-set is typically 24 to 48 hours, depending on environmental conditions. Once fully cured, the installer can fill the joints using a Type N or Type S mortar as approved by the architect, designer, or building owner. Most often, the mortar joints are filled by using the bagging method, but other methods are acceptable. All joints should be completely filled with mortar. While the mortar is still pliable, the installer can use a brick jointing tool to compress the mortar in the thin brick joints in a manner that yields the desired aesthetic appearance. For more information about this or any other Meridian thin brick installation method, visit www.meridianbrick.com or email thinbrick@meridianbrick.com.